Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the right join keyword in MySQL. So I have two tables created. So let's just do select all from orders. Okay, and then let's also do select all from, I think we have customers, I think is the other one, customers. Yes, so we are going to be joining these two tables together using the right join. Okay, so firstly we need to select what elements that we want, right, or what properties that we want. So let's say that we do let's do orders. Let's do orders dot, I want to get the order ID, for example. I want that to be joined. Let's do customers. Let's join up that with the contact name. Okay, because we have the contact name. And then let's do one more. Let's do customers dot, and I don't know, let's get their city. Sure, let's print out their city. Okay, and we want this to be from orders. Okay, so this table here, so from orders. And we are going to join this table. So we're going to join orders, this table here, with the customers. So we are doing a right join, so we right join, then the name, which is customers. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to do on, and then we have to specify now on what we want to join it. So we want to join orders, we want to join the customer ID, so we do customer ID, and we need to equal this to the customers dot customer ID. And then we'll just order by, this isn't necessary, but we'll just do anyway. We'll just do order by order dot order ID. Okay, basically what we are doing here is we are selecting these properties here. Okay, so we are selecting order ID, contact, so order ID from orders. Okay, so this is orders, so order ID. Then we are selecting contact name and city from customers, so from the customers table. So contact name and city from this table. And then we are selecting this from orders. So you can see the very first one here is orders, so we are selecting it from this table, and we are performing a right join on this table here. Okay, and now in order to join the two tables, we need to have an on condition. Now we will join all elements, okay, all elements in order customer, or in orders and customers that have the equal customer ID. Okay, so you can see here we have orders dot customer ID. Okay, that has to equal to the customer's customer ID. Okay, so the customer ID in orders has to equal to the customer ID in customers. Okay, that's all we are doing. And then if we equal, we execute this query. That's because we have this. That's because instead of orders, I just done order. So that's orders, and you can see we equal to this. Now because the order ID doesn't exist for certain contacts, then that's not. All that means is that they have not actually placed an order. Okay, so that's all that means. So that's basically it for this video on the right join. Hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.